Okay, hello everyone, this is Nikhil here and I am very happy today because it was a very productive day for me. A lot of good things happened today. And also I'm riding my KTM Duke 390 after a very long time. So I was getting a lot of messages, Nikhil, why aren't you riding your Duke? Why aren't you riding your Boss? Well, it was raining a lot in Mumbai lately and too many potholes were born. And it is not really practical to ride this 390 in a city like Mumbai on an everyday basis, and I have an Activa, I have an Eliminator, so I was riding that. Today I decided I'll take my Duke out because today I am announcing, of course by the title you already know, I am announcing my Kashmir to Kanyakumari ride while riding through this Mumbai traffic. Anyway, so yeah, this video is specially for my Kashmir to Kanyakumari announcement. For those of you who don't know, 7 months back I made a Q&A video where I announced that the day I'll cross 100k subscribers, I'm going to be doing a Kashmir to Kanyakumari ride just to meet my subscribers. Basically, on the way I'm going to meet my subscribers. So that time when I made the video, I was around 12 or 13,000 subscribers. So I said to myself, if it took me like around 1 year to reach 10,000 subscribers from 1,000 subscribers, so it's gonna take me at least 2 to 3 years for me to cross 100k. But you guys showed me your love, your respect, your support, and within a span of 7 to 8 months I am already at 85,000 subscribers. So that is like a dream for any YouTuber. So I think by the rate I'm going, I should be crossing 100k in 2 months. So the initial plan was that I'll do Indore and then Kerala after I'm back from Ladakh, after a wait of 1 or 2 months, after the rain is over, or maybe before Ganpati or after Ganpati, whatever. I know most of you will think that, Nikhil, why don't you do Kerala now? Then after 2 months you can do Kashmir to Kanyakumari. If I'll do Kerala, Indore and then again Kashmir to Kanyakumari ride, that will result in investing a lot of money. So I hope you guys understand. The whole and sole purpose of doing a Kashmir to Kanyakumari ride is that I want to meet my subscribers on the way. So I'm going to start from Kashmir, riding 300 to 500 kilometers every day. I will announce my exact route very soon. So I request you guys to like my page on Facebook, which is Mumbaiker Nikhil. Add me on Snapchat. Do add me on Snapchat because I upload a hell lot of things on Snapchat. So it's Mumbaiker Nikhil without any space. Also do follow me on Instagram. I also put pictures over there. Recently I'm getting hell lot of messages from people from East India. I won't be able to cover East India in this K2K ride because most of the people are messaging me, Nikhil, do a Kashmir to Kolkata to Kanyakumari ride. Okay guys, I really wish to do that, but I don't think right now I'm in a position where I can do, Kashmir to Kolkata to Kanyakumari ride. I mean, I wish I could, but I don't think so. And from there, Makran? Snapchat mein bola tha na. Nice meeting you. So much of traffic. By the way, for those of you who don't know, I am in Goregaon in Mumbai, going towards Bandra because I am going to meet Debu to collect my mirrors because he has my mirrors. Because when I got my bike from Gati, I kept my mirrors in his car. Ever since then, I forgot to collect my mirrors. So today I'm especially going to meet Debu to collect my mirrors because it's not really allowed to ride your motorcycle without a side mirror. Also, a lot of messages regarding my Ladakh ride. So guys, you know what I'll do? I'm going to be doing a live vlog and I'm going to be answering all the questions related to Ladakh ride. Now, I've already jotted down all the questions which you guys have been asking me about Ladakh. So I'll be doing a live vlog very soon on my Facebook page. So I'll just be answering, maybe this coming weekend, I'm just going to be answering all your questions about Ladakh ride. And talking about Gati, where I got my bike from, I wasn't really happy when I got my bike. Look at the condition. This is like marks of all the duct taping over here, everywhere. So my bike it's not looking really good, to be very honest. Soon I'll be giving this bike again a small makeover. Chalu hai to koi ja kyun nahi raha hai? Go. So it'll be like a version 3 for my bike. Also guys, when I'll touch 100k, I'm gonna be doing a meetup in Mumbai. But this time the meetup will be different. So I'll try and make this meetup better. I'm doing something special. I don't want to reveal what I'm doing, but I hope you guys will like it. So if you are in Mumbai or somewhere in Mumbai, I hope you guys will definitely come for my 100k meetup. For my Kashmir to Kanyakumari ride, I forgot to add one thing. I'll be doing something special in that ride. I mean, of course, beside meeting you guys, I'll be doing something special in that ride, which for now, I want to keep it a surprise. Because that thing is, I mean, not 100% sure. I mean, I'm working on it. Try and give you a hint at the end of this video. So if you're still here, because today's vlog is a very simple and simple motor vlog. So if you're still here, at the end of this video, I'm gonna be giving you a small hint. Now please don't hold on to that hint and believe that whatever I have showed you is gonna be 100%. No, it's just a hint, guys. Remember, a hint is just a hint. It is nothing, it is not sure. So comment down below what you understood by that hint. You guys are my YouTube family, although I don't know you guys personally, but you guys are my real support. I want to travel everywhere in India. It's my wish to travel everywhere in India. You know, achieving a 50k, 100k, you know, that is just an excuse to do a ride. For example, there'll be a lot of guys who'll be watching this video just to impress that girl, just to impress someone. You started working out. Not everyone, but someone, you know. आज नहीं तो कल नहीं तो परसों, this year or next year, I will do that ride. It's just a way that I can even convince my mom. See, mom, I committed that. It's already 100k. Please let me go. Please let me go. You know. So it's not really easy to plan for such ride. Kashmir to Kanyakumari will be very tough for me. I will say it again. I'm not a professional rider. I have been riding all this long distance from past 2 years. Before that, I've never done more than 500 kilometers ride. I'm still learning. So thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you like this vlog, a plain and simple vlog. Let me know what you think about me doing a Kashmir to Kanyakumari ride. Are you guys excited? Don't be disheartened if you don't stay between Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Not this year, maybe next year I will see you. I'm not going to be making another vlog explaining my Kashmir to Kanyakumari ride. Maybe just before I leave, I'm going to be making a video. Kolkata next year, Bhutan next year. A lot of things next year. Thank you for watching my video, guys, and as always, shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. I'll leave you with this small hint now. I'll just talk to you guys in some time because this jam is really boring and I'm sure you guys are also bored seeing this traffic jam. So I'll get back to you in some time.